variable a and b, x and y, l and m are both, they are variables. Look at here. Here we written x plus y equal to 7. And 7 is the coefficient of x plus 3 is the coefficient of y equal to 9. These are the linear equations. These are the linear equations. In linear equation, there are the two variables. This is called linear equation. But this is not a linear equation. Why? Here, the variable x have a degree of 2. If there is a degree of 2, this is not a linear equation. This is not a linear equation. Here we start exercise number 1, the linear equation of two variables. Today we studying example in your textbook, third example. Because in a COVID, government has decided to remove two questions, first and second example of your textbook. Here we study third example. There is a 15x plus 17y equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y equal to 11. This is very important sum which comes 3 marks in the board exam. So here we try to solve this one. First we written 15x plus 17y equal to 21. This is our first equation. Second equation is 17x plus 15y equal to 11. This is our second equation. Now we start this sum. First we look at here 15x and 15y, 17x and 17y. The both similarity of these two equations. So we getting first one time adding and another time subtract this sum. First we adding this sum. Adding the sum. We add 112, 213, 32y and 32x. Yes. 32x plus 32y equal to 32. Then we divided by 32. We divided by 32 for this equation. 32x plus 32, 32y plus upon 32, 32 upon 32. This was cut, this was cut, this was cut also. Here we got new equation. This is our third equation. This is our third equation. Now we subtracting this sum. Now we subtracting this sum. Subtracting. Now we subtracting this sum 15x plus 17y equal to 21. This is our first equation. 17x plus 15y equal to 11. This is our second equation. Now here we subtract this equation. Then we change the sign. Here is a plus. We take in a minus, minus and minus. 21 minus 11 is a 10. 17 minus 15, 2y. The sign of bigger number is plus. So we take in a plus. Here 17 minus 15 is a 2x, but the sign of the bigger number is minus. Then we take in here minus. Now we start divided this equation by 2. So we got 2x upon 2, 2y upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2. Now we got 2 5 are 10, right? Here we got a new equation, and our equation is that. Here we got first equation, second and third. Here we got fourth equation. Now we got a new equation. Equation 1, equation 3 and equation 4. Adding both the equations. Adding both the equations. In adding, it depends on minus or plus. Here, x is the plus, x is the minus. This was cancelled. 5 plus 1, 6. Here, 1y and the 1y. 1, 1, 2. 2y. 6 upon 2. Y upon 2. Because 2 multiplied by y. 2 is here, multiply. And going on there, divide. 2 3 are 6. We got value of y. Value of y is 3. Here we start practice test number 1.1. Second question, 7th one. Is written 99x plus 101y equal to 499. 101x plus 99y equal to 501. Now look at here. This sum is very important in concern in your board exam, because this sum is come on the board 2 marks or 3 marks. How? I'm just explaining. Just look at here. First we taken a, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. We have a 2 equation, equation 1 and equation 2. So here is also we see 99x and 99y. The variables of different equations are same. 101y, 101x. So here we adding this add. We adding this equation. 9 1 10 1 carry 1000. Here 200y 200x. So we got the answer 2x 200x plus 200y equal to 1000. Here we divided by 200. 200x divided by 200, 200y divided by 200, 1000 divided by 200. Look at here, 2000, 2000 cut. X plus y equal to 1020. 2 upon 10 upon 2. 2 5 are 10. Now we got the third equation. And this is highlight to your equation. It is useful in your board exam. Now we subtract this. Subtract 99x plus 101y equal to 499. Equation 1. Now the second 101x plus 99y equal to 501. This is our equation 2. Now this there is subtracting these 2 equations. Then we change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Because both having a plus sign. Now minus them. 101 minus by 99. It's a 2x. The sign of a bigger number is minus. So we taken a minus. Here the bigger number of sign is plus. We taken a plus. 101 minus 99 is a 2y. And it's a 2. Now we start. Divided by 2. Minus 2x divided by 2. 2y divided by 2 minus 2 divided by 2. 2 to the 1, cut, 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 cut. Now we having a x plus y equal to 1. This is equation 4. This is equation 3 and this is 4. Now we taken these 2 equations. X plus y equal to 5 minus x plus y equal to minus 1. This is equation 3, this is 4. We written third equation and fourth equation. Now, do what can we do? X plus x minus, it cancels. 1y, it's a 2y. 5 minus 1, 4. There is, we got our answer. Y is 2. Now, substitute the y in equation, any equation we take in 1, 2, 3, 4, its result remains the same. But we take in a easy one. Substitute the equation, substitute the value of y in equation third letter. It's equation third. X plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5, right? We having a value of y is 2. Plus 2 here, going on there, minus 2. Now we got our answer. The value of x and y. Here we written answer. Don't forget you written the answer in your board exam. Neither you cut your off marks. Good. This is our second question for this problem. Thank you. So, erase the word question. Okay, bye. Going to next term, we will see another example for same question. In the board exam, you have find this. Question is the same, but this is come on 2 marks in your board exam. 2 marks question. If ask you to solve this, x plus y equal to what? Here we start. Our procedure is same. There is no change in our procedure. Divided by 2. So we divide this one 200. Cut, 2 5 are 10. Already we done this sum. Now we stop. Don't solve some more question or full question because we have only 2 marks. And 2 marks question, if he asks x plus y equal to question mark, then x plus y equal to 5. Our answer is 5. This is your 2 marks question. It is come on your board exam. Thank you. Now we start practice set 1.1 second term. Second question, 8th term. Here I written the question. 49x minus 57y equal to 172. And the second is 57x minus 49y equal to 252. It is a perfect linear equation example. We start this one. 49x minus 57y equal to 172 is our equation 1. Now the second one is 57x minus 49y equal to 252. This is our equation 2. Now here again we see the 2 different equations. We have a different variable same number. Different variable same number means there is a 49x and 49y. Both are the same. And the 57x and the 57y. These both different variables are same. Now what can we do? Again we do adding and subtracting both the numbers. First we adding the numbers. 2, 2, 4, 7 plus 5 is 2, 12. 1 carry 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 24. Now here, both numbers are minus. Both numbers are same. Then we are taking a sign minus. Here y. And the numbers are add. This is our 106. Now the first one, 49x and 57x. X, 106. Now we solve this equation. 106x minus 106y equal to 424. Now here we divided by, in which number I was divided this equation? 106 divided by 106. So here we start 106x minus 106y equal to 424 upon 106. Now cut it. 106, 106, 106, 106. And here 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24. 6 4 are 106 multiplied by 4. Cut. We got 4. X minus y equal to 4. Here sometime we ask, please do x minus y equal to what? This is come only 2 marks question. If we solve this one, x minus y equal to, so we solve this sum only here. We have got 2 marks in the board exam. But sometimes it's not asking this one. So it comes on 3 marks. 3 marks question. Now we start subtracting the same number. Subtracting the same number. 49x, 57y equal to 172 is our equation 1. 57x, 49y equal to 2, 5, 2 equal to, yes, right. Now we are subtracting the number. First we change the sign of this equation. Here is a plus, we taken a minus. Minus, we taken a plus. There is no sign, we taken a minus. Now minus 6, 49 minus 57 is a minus 8x. The bigger number is sign is minus. We taken here also minus 0.8. We got minus 8x minus 8y equal to minus 80. We divided by minus 8. By minus 8. Minus 8x is the minus 8. 8y minus 8, right? Minus 80 minus 8. 8 cut minus cut. 8 cut minus cut. Now we got minus cut is here. Here is a plus. X plus y equal to 10. Because there is a minus 8x minus 8. Minus 8 cut. Here is minus 8y minus 8. Minus cut. Coming on plus. Here is also minus cut. 8 10 ja 80. We got a new equation. Equation is 4. Here we start. X minus y equal to 4. It's our equation 3rd. X plus y equal to 10. It's our equation 4. Now minus y plus y. It's a remove the variable y and minus and plus y. Here 2x 14. 14 upon 2. 7. We got the value of x is 7. Substitute value of x in equation. This time I have taken a 4. X plus y equal to 10. Right? We have the value of x is 7. 7 is plus, going on there is minus. Now we got the value of y is 3. Good. Don't forget you have written the answer. Neither you less your off marks in the board exam. Thank you. This is complete our practice set 1.1. Okay.